with me on the paddock, Captain James McCauley, looking after you in the cabin. A very nice team of 4 led by Heather. Flight time today, well, it's around about 3 hours 20 minutes, cruising at 34,000 feet or 35,000 feet. Expecting mainly smooth flying, just possibly a few bumps about halfway through the flight, just over Hungary and Austria, but it should be smooth most of the time. We do, however, recommend you keep the seatbelts loosely fastened, and if we do turn the seatbelt signs on, please do return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts.
Cabin crew doors to automatic and cross-check. Istanbul. It is my pleasure to welcome you all on board, and a special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening overhead lockers, do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping other other customers. Please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. Whereabouts the items available. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offset. Arrival, Istanbul. Our ground handling agent is Heathrow. Wheelchair assistance is also provided by Heathrow. Please note there is no arrivals lounge.
Hopefully just over 10 minutes early, so it's about 4:40 local time. Possibility of a bit of a shortcut, so it might be 5 or 10 minutes earlier than that. But, it's about 20-25 minutes to go. Weather in Istanbul, few clouds around still, breeze from the north-east, 27 degrees still. So expect landing about 20 to 25 minutes from now, thank you.
Generosity, thank you.